What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? It's your boy Nore, the host of the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And once again, here I am coming back at you with another Road Glide update. All right, stay tuned right after this. I know, I've been gone from the YouTube world for quite some time, but I've been extremely busy saving all bikes, one bike at a time. If y'all know me, y'all follow me for a while, y'all know that I've been attending MMI and I'm down here in Florida. And by the way, I am almost done. But that's what I've been concentrating on. I've been bringing videos to y'all as I can, but between that and actually riding this bike, that's all I've been doing. You know what I'm saying? I've put already over 15,000 miles on this bike since I've bought it, and it's only been 6 months, okay? But let's get back to the upgrade, all right? The newest upgrade that I have on this thing right here is, of course, the rear fender. If some of y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all already know. But if y'all don't follow me on Instagram and only follow me here on YouTube, let me go ahead and show you real quick. Plow right there. All right, I hope you can see that good. I'm gonna get some close-ups. I'll probably put them up here as B-roll, but here we go. I bought me a carbon fiber rear fender. All right, this carbon fiber rear fender only weighs about 1.5 pounds. Extremely lightweight. I've already put about 4,300 miles, and yes, you heard that right, 4,300 miles already on this rear fender. Okay, so I changed up the whole light system, and I put the custom dynamic filler lights, so that way I have a nice, clean, sleek look on the rear fender. But it's not just your average carbon fiber fender. All right, let me go ahead and swoop on in here and show you what this has to offer. Look at that. And hopefully the camera is doing this thing some justice. All right, hopefully it is doing it some justice, because this carbon fiber is laid in with the design of none other than the American flag. All right, the stars and stripes. So down in this section right here is your stars. All right, is your stars, and you have your stripes coming up and waving. All right, and waving. So that is one of a kind right there. I have not seen any other carbon fiber fenders or carbon fiber product with that type of design being done. All right, with that type of design being done, and I'm about to let you know where I got it from. Okay, and I'm gonna post the his website link down below in my description. But I got it from my man E at Unique Baggers. All right, and like I said, I'm gonna show you what his logo looks like, and I'm gonna put his description down below. So if you are interested in a carbon fiber that's not like everybody else's and is truly unique, then go visit my man E at Unique Baggers and see what he can offer you. All right, see what he can offer you. That's what I got as far as an upgrade today. Not too much to tell y'all, other than I'm gonna show y'all some more footage of a cleaner look, because I don't know if this camera did it justice. Show you cleaner look of the carbon fiber rear fender. Like I said, 1.5 pounds. They dropped some pounds. Extremely lightweight. 4,300 miles on it, and it is durable. Nothing to it. Has not cracked. Hasn't done anything. It is holding up. So we gonna keep at it. We're gonna keep slaying them 90 miles, and we'll see what we got going on. So that's all I got for you for today. Until the next time, hey, that's all I have. Like I said, Until next time I see y'all, hopefully next week with something else, a ride or whatnot. But if you're here for the first time and you're interested in anything motorcycle related, rides, events, upgrades, reviews, what have you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All right, and I'll be bringing out more content to you as we go along. All right, until next time, as always, enjoy your ride.